I wanted to share this radiator guard with everyone because the first radiator guard I got was from T-Rex. They make an excellent skid plate, but their radiator guard was pretty lacking. It mounted on the bottom like this one does, but then it just had a single attachment point up here. Yeah, right there, you can see it. But I didn't like it because it was floppy, it was kind of thin, and the corners were hitting the radiator. So I got this one, and you can see it mounts there, and then two on the bottom, and then one right here, and there's spacer here and there's spacers on the bottom. It keeps it away from the radiator. These little things sticking out of it are rubber bumpers that they don't actually touch the radiator, but they give them to you in case, you know, something hits it, presses it against the radiator. It's that rubber hitting the radiator instead of the metal. And this is a little bit thicker gauge material than the T-Rex one was. And all the guards that I saw online were flimsy, or they had so many fancy water jet cutouts in them. They were just floppy, and I didn't want that. So this has 4 mounts, and it's a lot stiffer material. I think this is going to work a lot better. You can see I've got water all the way up here, so I am going to get a fender extender also. But this is all in preparation for my gravel road, dirt road trail rides with this thing. And I'll put a link to where I got this on eBay because it's not a major manufacturer as far as I can tell. So this is where I got it from. And I always worry about shipping from China to the US, but this is a quality product, and it got here in like 8 days. So it actually got here a lot faster than some stuff I had shipped within the United States. So no worries there, no worries on quality. That's the best radiator guard that I could find at the moment. So just wanted to share that because it's not easy to find something sturdy like this is for this bike. Most of my video views come from people who are not subscribed to my channel, so if you could take just a second down there and hit subscribe and like, it'll trick the algorithm into thinking I'm more popular than I actually am.